UK homes are more connected than ever before. So how does this affect your broadband connection? Let's take a typical family. Mum, dad and 2 kids that sit in front of their brand new smart TV to stream the latest Hollywood blockbuster, on demand and in 3D. Mum, a photographer, remembers she has to send some portraits to a client. She slips off to upload the high-res images using her home office computer. Dad, a die-hard football fan, is streaming a big match to his tablet in HD. And the kids? Emily is always on her smartphone. She's taking advantage of her home Wi-Fi connection to download the movie soundtrack and tell her friends about it on Facebook. Harry is late for an important meeting with his friends. He turns on his game console and goes online to defend his high score in a multiplayer tactical strike against the heart of the zombie menace. The simultaneous content and connection demands created by their combined broadband use, however, have pushed their traditional internet capacity or bandwidth to the limit. Seconds count in a multiplayer game, and the lag impedes Harry's reaction time, causing him defeat early on in the game. Disappointed, he returns to see the last few minutes of the movie. Mum becomes anxious as upload times triple within minutes of her deadline. Dad too is upset when his live stream pauses to buffer as the critical final seconds of the game unfold. Emily, sensing the tension, quickly switches over to her slower mobile data connection. With super fast fibre broadband, situations like this will be a nightmare of the past. Providing enough bandwidth to ensure Mum can deliver on time, Dad will never miss a minute of the game, Emily can keep up with her busy social life, and Harry can flex his gaming muscle against his friends online. And that's not all. TVs, phones and PCs will soon be joined by other smart devices that'll generate an even greater demand for bandwidth. Whatever devices the future may bring, choosing super fast fibre broadband means you can rest easy, knowing that you'll be able to do more without worrying about your internet connection. Fortunately, this family made the sensible choice, and Mum, Dad, Emily and Harry are now enjoying the benefits of super fast fibre broadband.